So next we are going to see about this augmented reality image. So augmented reality which enhance our perceptions world by overlaying additional information such as images, animations and data over the real time. So in rapid change, it makes a very rapid changes in all the fields according to the world. In education, it's making a very massive changes, because if we all in a before augmented reality or virtual images come, we have to use to see the images in notebooks or image view. We have seen we could not find how the image are been working or not. We have just written, but by doing this augmented realities or virtual realities, by using this, we can understand the concept very easily, and we can apply the concept through how it is working. So in physics, we used to see, if we throw the ball, how the ball is going to reach from the throwing onwards, how the speed it could be reach we can be seen. But using this augmented reality, the ball how they crosses by each and every seconds, and how it's going to the pass the prisms of light, the concept and all, it's very easy to understand. So this is a whole in applications like 3D merge concept is a very easy to how to understand the students. So this is not only in education, in all the field it dedicates its dedications, and the it observes this environment where it suits, and it's deliver the content with the classifieds of different types. So we are going to see about the different types of augmented realities. So understanding this concept, we have choosing various fields, gaming, educations and everywhere. So we are going to see about the different types of augmented reality. We have already seen about the what is augmented reality and how the applications of augmented reality. So here we are going to see about the different types of augmented reality. So this augmented reality comes in several options. So one is marker based AR and markerless AR and projection based AR, superimposition AR. The marker based AR is a very simple interactive. By using printers or markers it will be represents, and markerless AR which uses the location data for dynamic expenses. For a good example we can represent the GPS. And next is projection based AR which performs the physical spaces using light, and superimposition AR which enhance and replace the real object. Then SLAM based AR delivers the most advanced and impressive experience used is in the real time example. So we are going to see briefly about the different types of AR. So this AR, the marker needs for marker based and GPS is not needed. So markerless to find the location, the GPS is needed, and others the real time mapping you could be only used for the SLAM based, because the real time example is good example is this IK placed snapshot, because now if you're taking a photo in snapshot or Insta, at the same time it will be gives the result by without any locations, anything. If we take my photo as a live, it could be changed as some other image we can be added, or we can add here, we can lose, we can rest the ears, we can blow the chin, anything we can be do like this way some of the images. And IEK places the where the furniture or any home appliances we need to buy, we can choose how it suits for the where we have to place. And so this is the SLAM based, that is the real time mapping. By using this concept, the superimposition is the AR surgery. It's a very advanced surgery things, for minute surgeries or to learning a purpose, and for doing the surgeries, the superimposition and augmented reality concept is a very applied concept. And projection based, it's a virtual keyboards. And markerless, it's nothing but it's just online gaming. So by what we have to it feels like a realistic how we are going to play in the grounds like that way. And marker based is a books, that is augmented reality books, which have been seen. If we butterflies or something else, the volcano is coming, it will choose how the volcanoes will be separated in like that way it will be choose. So first we are going to see about the market based augmented reality. It is a virtual makers like QR code, image, patterns or triggers that which displays the display content when viewed through the AR enables device by using start modes or virtuals. How it works is the camera scans the prefined markers, and AR software recognize the markers pattern, and the software overlays the digital contents like its 3D model or animation or video, etc. Like it will be separated by digital container. The content stays anchored to the markers long as in the view. So in the real time example, we can give the examples like a QVR AR coloring book. So we can color by the through book, without a book we can color, and historical videos like 3D constructions, museum exhibitions, product packaging. The good example is the museum exhibition. In India, I think so it will be not published still, but in China, in abroad places, the museum could be seen by with the AR glasses. So this is a good example. So in this museum is situated in China, and they are providing a more impressive virtual reality technologies by seeing this the product, the objects in the museum. This by using they are included in the AR glasses. The visitor can special pair of glasses they were given for the special pair of glasses, and the information they can reach the realistic. So meanwhile this equipped audio contemporary the visionaries and can learn along the tool. So when they start from that is Zanzibar Museum, also they have opened another one. So by starting onwards, it could be seen by this AR glasses, and it could be represents like this way. So it feels very realistic how it's going to present. So next we are going to see about the Markerless AR. So this is a work outdoors in the it represents the Google Map live view, and already we have seen the GPS tracker. So for marker there is no need to GPS, but here we need a GPS tracking. It is mainly focused upon the location based AR, and which uses the GPS. For example, it can choose the places. So next we are going to see about the projection based AR. Here no screens and headsets, nothing we can need. It's just an interactive. Some systems include sensors allows the projection container to respond to the touch and gestures on the surface. So environment based based on shape and oriented, the often depth sensors to the accurate layer. Next is Superimposition-Based AR. This AR is a type of augmented reality where the original view of the real world object is partially and completely replaced by a digital augmented view. So this type of AR does not add a real world, it can override the parts of it. So this AR system recognizes the real time. So this in this many applications we are using, medical training, military aviation, architectures, education, maintenance, repair. So everywhere it represents the superimposition. And next we are going to see about this SLAM based AR. This is nothing but simulators locations of mapping. This augmented reality helps for mapping environment, walls, floors, objects, and localize themselves within an environment with known their positions. So this overlaying digital content says the fix the places to the user moves. So I've already seen this is a robotic thread which we have. This is a robotic thread which could remove the blood clots in the brain. So it's a very difficult task, but by using this AR we are using this very easily. So this robotic thread is passing through the blood clots for removing the brain. How it is passing through the brain cells. So this is a very powerful evolving technology that blends the digital world with the physical environment and the real time. So by enhancing real world experience with digital informations, AR makes a task more interactive, efficient and engaging. As technology advice, AR is a very expert and play a major role in shaping the future of communication, learning and decision making across the industries. Thank you. So we are going to see about it, augmented reality in next video.